Yeah. This that ratchet bass. This that ratchet bass. Ratchet bass. This that ratchet bass. Make you think about a chick with a ratchet waist, ratchet ass, ratchet face, ratchet bass. Pose in the floor and they dance on it, pose in the floor and they dance on it, Throw dollars and they fetch it like dogs, fetch it like dogs. On the ground, waddling and kissing on they cells, playing with they cells. Ooh, humping on they cells. Ooh, this that ratchet bass, ratchet bass. Make you think about a bitch with a ratchet ass and a ratchet face, and some pussy with a good taste. Ooh, gotta love it. Like Coke, Pepsi, Sprite, or Mountain Dew. Gotta love it if what you do. Pepsi over here. Pepsi. Oh, see Pepsi Brown. See Pepsi Brown, Pepsi Brown. See orange like a faker, Her hair look like rock and roll. Her hair look like rock and roll. Ooh, damn. See Pepsi fly. Yeah, I'm a motherfucking Pepsi guy. Yeah, this that ratchet bass. Make you think about a chick with a ratchet ass and a ratchet face. Pose in the air, pose in the floor. They dance on it, throw dollars and they fetch it like dogs. Humping on each other, kissing on each other, rubbing on each other. Ooh, it looks so good, don't it? Ooh, yeah, ratchet. I'm guilty of being ratchet. My name is Eric, and I admit, yes, I'm a thought. I admit that, yes, I am wretched. I will admit I'm wretched, and I love wretched bass that just makes women want to just shake it, and guys just want to just pump their arms in the air and just bob their heads and just rock from side to side. And yes, I'm guilty of being wretched. And I'll be the first to admit it. 2 M's, 1 G, Westside Rider for life. MGS EDD, 9 train, 1 face, 1 boy, DJ mix up in this bitch, and I'm gone. I'm gone.